So one of the most important things that you can understand when it comes to making an educated decision is understanding the maximum life-saving potential of the helmet. So what does that actually mean? Well, you probably heard out there about the back face deformation test. You've probably heard about RTP, which is resistance to penetration. You've heard about NIJ. You've heard about all these other standards, but there's one that we have to pay special attention to, and that is a v50 test. Now, I know you say, well, it has to do with bomb fragmentation. It does, but it also has to do with the maximum life-saving potential of a helmet. Let me explain. So a 9mm round, as it strikes an object, most of us understand that it expands, it mushrooms, it blossoms. So therefore it creates drag, if you will. So it doesn't really test the absolute limitations of the material. The reason that we hold that the v50 is so important is because we are taking a 17 grain projectile, a 64 grain, a 2 grain 4, and multiple others that does not expand, that does not blossom, if you will. And so it holds itself together, creating absolute penetration into that material. So the higher the v50, the higher the probability of survival. Now you say, how does that relate to rifle rated? I'm glad you asked that question.